Okay, you guys, we're here up here at the Lakeland Police Department. We're gonna pick up the records in the dash cam today. Let's see how that does. You know how it is. Today is Monday. We're doing the strike for the teachers here. They don't feel like they're getting paid enough. So there was literally hundreds of them downtown marching the streets. Got some pictures of that. I'm gonna get some recording of these guys. The Fallen Heroes Memorial. I'm gonna take some pictures here. Feel like one of our officers died. All the other officers. Now let's go in and do this thing. Howdy. I'm here to pick up some records.
You have a case number?
I don't remember it. It was a dash cam video and audio.
What's your name?
Christopher Wilson.
Someone called you in regards to?
Yeah, the supervisor.
What was the name of the person that called you?
I can't remember his name. I talked to him a few times.
I don't see anything.
It was supposed to be given to my public defender, but she says they don't come down here and do those types of things, so I had to come down here for it.
What's your name again?
Christopher Wilson.
Let me,
He said it was $2.
you said it was a dash cam CD?
Yeah.
Let me call. Yeah, let me call to see if he's, here. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Give me one moment.
All right. Classic. So you guys who are wondering what the audio was for my previous video when I was arrested, so that you can see clearly that he's lying in the police report, we're gonna provide that to you guys here shortly, so be on the lookout on my channel and Eyes on the State. That's Eyes on the State, one word. And for you guys out here fighting the fight, go ahead and hit the like button. If you like it, let me know. If you support the cause.
Sir, Tom is not here, and that's the one I'm thinking. I also called property. No one's answering, so I think everybody's pretty much done for the day. I can take down your phone number, and I can call you in the morning once I find out who was the one that...
I don't live in Lakeland, so I'll be back out here on Wednesday. So, if we could have...
So, what's your number?
863 529 3539.
539. Okay, Mr. Wilson, you said $2 charge, dash cam.
I can come Wednesday to pick it up.
Okay, so Wednesday will be in. Alright, so when I get in the morning, I will make a few phone calls to see who has.
Alright, thank you. Can I get one of these servers?
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Alright, you guys. With the deposit box. Wonder how good that's kept up with, if they use that stuff for anything illegal. Hope not. Hate to assume that. But whenever corruption is still running every day on the street, what can you do about it? Alright, you guys. That'll be all.